Hey geeks, so in our modern age, we hear a lot about this whole idea and concepts of mental health. And I'm going to be giving you some of my thoughts on this, specifically when it comes to creator health, because I think this is something that is not quite often talked about, but I think it is very important and valuable. Now, let's go ahead and start off with the whole idea of mental health, because honestly, this was here and has always been here way before the internet. And I kind of feel a lot of times it's given a little bit too much focus in the sense that there might not be real issues with mental health, but since people see so much of it, they figure that they might have mental health issues. And a lot of times that leads to different diagnosis or maybe taking drugs for it. And you might have your own thoughts on that, but that's the first thing. Mental health has been and always will be here, but this does affect people in different ways. And I'm going to be sharing you my thoughts on the creator health, because when it comes to that subject, being a creator, it really multiplies that. Because whenever you're a creator, you're constantly using your mind, even when you think that you're not, especially coming up with ideas. And most importantly, having to deal with the day-to-day of all the people around the world and bots affecting your mental and creative health. And in that case, I think it's really, really important that you do spend some time to actually help nurture and keep your mind as healthy as possible. And in this case, I like to do things naturally. Okay, so whenever you are a creator, your mind's constantly going. And regardless if you're doing this or working or whatever you do, we all go through some type of mental stress every single day. And in my very simple opinion, non-medical opinion, I think one of the best ways that you could keep your creative and mental health is to actually go outside, go outdoors. I know that sounds simple, but especially now in our modern age, most of us don't spend enough time going outdoors. We're indoors a lot, in front of computer screens or in front of our phones all the time, and I really don't see much positive in that. And if anything, over time, this will actually make things worse. It affects your mental ability, it affects your emotional health, and at the same time, just in general, just feel worse overall. And if this isn't working well, then it affects everything else. So that is my simple thoughts on that. As somebody who's been creating for more than 10 years, thousands of videos, but also somebody who's just a normal human being, it's really important for you to take care of that so then you could continue to creating. And it's something just as easy as being outdoors, being out in nature, and doing something that is natural and has been there and will continue to be there many, many years afterwards. So if you actually had any thoughts on this, be sure to leave in the comments there below, and I'll see you on another episode.
Hey geeks, if you are a brand new creator and you simply want something easy to get you started, well, I got something for you with my Creator Starter Kit. This is a super simple step-by-step guide that's going to take you from having no channel to developing your very first YouTube channel, along with ideas, thumbnail designs, and other creator tips, including marketing. And the best part is, all of this is free. Simply head over to the link below, check out my page, and get started creating.